Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook ads, specifically focusing on the different formats available in 2024. So, let's kick things off with the classic image ads. These are perfect for showcasing your products or services, and they're a great way to grab your audience's attention. Next up, we have video ads. These are fantastic for telling a story or showcasing your brand in a more engaging way. Carousel ads are another popular choice, allowing you to showcase multiple products or services in one ad. Then, we have collection ads, which are perfect for e-commerce businesses, allowing users to browse and purchase products directly from the ad. And finally, we have instant experience ads, which are great for showcasing your brand or products in a more interactive way. So, there you have it, folks. A quick overview of the different Facebook ads formats available in 2024. We hope this helps you in your advertising journey. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring.